Imagine transforming your career and life by moving to a land of opportunity, Australia. As a crane operator, this dream can become a reality with the right steps. Australia's booming construction industry offers job stability and competitive salaries. But first, you need to understand the visa requirements and necessary certifications. Completing a validated skills assessment is crucial to confirm your qualifications. Explore visa pathways like the Skilled Independent Visa or the Employer-Sponsored Visa. Demonstrating English proficiency is essential for most visa applications. Gather documented proof of your work experience in crane operation. Fulfill health assessments and character checks to comply with immigration laws. Investigate the job market to understand the demand for crane operators in various regions. Networking with industry professionals can improve your chances of securing employment. Applying for migration involves navigating specific pathways laid out by immigration authorities. Researching and understanding visa options is vital to selecting the right pathway. Meeting eligibility criteria includes having valid qualifications and work experience. You may need to complete a skills assessment to prove your qualifications align with Australian standards. Achieving a high level of English proficiency will boost your chances of securing employment. Strong English skills enhance job prospects and workplace safety. Research potential employers and apply for jobs in advance. Utilize online job boards, networking forums, and professional associations. Building a professional network can lead to valuable job insights and recommendations. Attend industry events and workshops to meet potential employers and fellow operators. Research the local job market and understand visa requirements for working in Australia. Plan your finances to cover initial moving expenses. Familiarize yourself with local laws and regulations. Connect with local communities for support and networking. Budget effectively for housing, transportation, and daily expenses. Explore different suburbs to match your lifestyle preferences and budget. Recognize the factors influencing successful migration, like qualifications and employment opportunities. Embrace diversity, learn local customs, and develop relationships with colleagues. Familiarize yourself with legal requirements, including obtaining the necessary visa. Engage in community activities to make friends and learn about Australian culture. With determination and preparation, you can achieve your goal of working and living in Australia.